Good morning, students. Our today's topic is the propagation of combination of errors. हम लोग ने लास्ट वीडियो में किया था कि हाउ टू फाइंड द एरर्स, राइट? एंड देयर आर थ्री मेथड टू फाइंड द एरर्स एंड देन द थ्री प्रोसेस टू रिमूव या मिनिमाइज द एरर्स. Actually, in the physics, in the mathematics, we solve some questions in the form of equations, right? As you have seen here, the errors in sum. Definitely, suppose we have one equation x is equal to a plus b. So what it does mean? It means if you want to calculate the x, you have to calculate the a and b, then add it, get the result for the x. So this is called the combination of errors because there are two quantities we are combining and the operator is the addition, right? And when we are going to add it, if suppose the errors in a and b is also occurs, so x has occurs, right? So we have to find the errors and then we have to measure the x and its true value and its errors, right? So what I am going to do, I am going to calculate the a and b first. Let's suppose we calculated a and the overall value of the a is coming. We can write value of a is, it can be a plus minus del a. What is the meaning of a plus minus del a? So the a is the its absolute error and the del a is the minimum absolute error, which I did in the last video, right? Similarly, the value of b which comes after the calculation including the errors, it is equal to the b plus minus del b, right? So this is the calculation of a with error, this is the calculation of b with its error. If I want to find this the third result for the x, that means I have to add this. So that on combining, the a has a plus minus del a and the b has b plus minus del b. So the x cannot be only the x, it will also increases with the error or decreases. So you have to write x plus minus del x. That's called the change in value of a, change in the value of b, and this is called the change in value of the result. So x plus minus del x is equal to a plus b plus minus del a plus del b. You can write the a plus b together and del a plus del b together. Here the a plus b is equal to the x, so these and these will cancel. So only plus minus del x is equal to plus minus del a plus del b would be there, and you can remove this plus minus sign, so it becomes the del a plus del b. So this is called the combination of the errors, right? This is called the formula of the combination x is equal to a plus b. But if you want to calculate the x, definitely you have find the errors in a and b, then you will get the errors in the x. It is very simple. Okay, now the next is point number 2, errors in subtraction, right? So error in subtraction, I am taking this equation only, so it becomes x is equal to a minus b. So the x is a result which depends on the subtraction between these two. Suppose I have calculated the a and I have calculated the b. So the value of a comes, the result of a or calculation of a comes, calculation of a, that is equal to a plus minus del a. So the a is, what is the a? A is the the absolute error and the del is the minimum absolute error. Similarly for the b, calculation of b, that is equal to b plus minus del b. So just put there, you will find the x is equal to, not the x only, x plus minus del x, that is equal to a has a plus minus del a minus b plus minus del b. So this is the formula. Now keep the a plus b together. So, but the operator is the minus, then you will write the a minus b here. And what you will do about the plus del a plus, so you will write like, see this, suppose you have written like this, a, I'll make you understand, a plus minus del a minus b. Okay, when this minus product with the plus, then it becomes a minus, and minus minus becomes plus. So you will write the minus plus, just opposite. Okay, so x plus minus del x is equal to a minus b plus minus del a minus plus del b. You will write that. So a minus b is equal to the x. So the a minus b will cancel, and this is plus minus del x and plus minus del a minus plus del b. There is one rule. One rule is there, whether it is subtraction and whether it is addition. The errors never subtract. The errors cannot be subtracted to each other. So the whatever the error del a and del b has, so you have to write in this way only. The del x is equal to del a plus del b only. So just ignore this minus and plus sign. You have to find the errors, right? Del x is equal to del a plus del b. So this is the propagation of combination of error for the errors in sum and errors in the subtraction. So just do this. I am going to do some numericals for it to make you understand. Do this fast. Yeah. So the numericals I am going to do. Let there are one equation is x is equal to a plus b. Okay. So the a is called one quantity, b is called another quantity. The absolute error. Absolute error is a is equal to 1.2 meter, let's suppose. Minimum absolute error, that is del a is equal to 0.1 meter. Okay, so the a is 1.2 and the del a is 0.1 meter. Similarly for b, that is equal to 1.6 meter, and for the del b, that is equal to, it will give in a equation, in a question, 0.15 meter. Okay, now you have to find the x. Then which formula you will apply? You will write the x is equal to a plus b. Okay, so the x is equal to a plus b. It is 1.2 and it is 1.6. So 2.8 meter will come, and the errors of the x would be the del x errors. Okay, see, del x is equal to, as I told you, this is del a plus del b, and the del a is 0.1 and del b is 0.15. Then all adding it is 0.25 meter. It can be positive and it can be negative. So the finally result of x you will write in this manner. Then final result. Use result always written as in x plus minus del x form, and this is equal to 2.8 meter and plus minus 2.8 plus minus 0.25 bracket meter. यानी प्लस माइनस हो सकता है या तो 0.25 ज्यादा होगा या 0.25 कम होगा. So this is a simple method, nothing else. You have to see the a and b. What is? It's called the x. What is the del a and del b? It's called the del x. Add this, either subtract, you will get the result. Finally, the next is percentage error. Percentage error. So if you want to calculate the percentage error, then what you have to do? You will write like del x. You have to find the percentage error for the x. Then del x divided by x is equal to, into 100%. So I am going to do it for you. It is 0.25 divided by 2.8 into 100%. So what would be? So it's called the 25 divided by 2.8, and you just multiply and divide it, then this type of the percentage error would come. Okay. Now this got completed. Okay. And what about the errors in subtraction? The errors in subtraction, you have to write the minus sign here, but you cannot write the minus sign in the errors. The error and the ratio always be same, and only the one thing will change here. Suppose if I am doing for the subtraction, so 1.2 and it is 1.6, then you will write the 1.6 before, then a, then 1.6 minus 1.2 comes the 0.4 meter, that's called the x. But when you are going to calculate the x, the del x, sorry, the del x would be same, right? Do this. Yes, our next topic is the errors in product. Simply because we know there are some equations we have seen which depends on the product of other two quantities or three quantities. So I am taking the two. Let's suppose the x is equal to a product b. So a is one quantity, b is another quantity, and x is the result of the product. So let's suppose the calculation of the a is calculation of a is a plus minus del a. Calculation of b is b plus minus del b. So what would be your result? The x plus minus del x, that is equal to the a plus minus del a dot b plus minus del b. Okay, so this is, maybe you are thinking that from where you will get the del a and del b. It would be given in the question, right? So now do multiplication between these two. So I am going to the multiplication. X plus minus del x is equal to a dot b plus minus a dot del b plus minus b dot del a plus minus del a dot del b. Del a dot del b. So this is for the product. Okay. Now see this, as I told you, the quantity A and the quantity B is a large quantity, but their errors, right, the del A and del B, always be small. You can imagine, if suppose you have a 100-meter length of cloth, and if you want to find the errors into it, so that error would be only the 0.1%, yeah, either the less than 1%. So it is very small. So you can say the del A dot del B, as suppose del A has value 0.1 meter and the del B has 0.2 meter. If I am going to multiply, as the del A and del B are multiplying here, then multiplication of 0.1, 0.2 would be 0.02. So that is very small, right? So ignore the small quantities, such type of quantity. So you will say here on ignoring the del A and del B because they are very small. So only these things will left. So I am going to write here. Okay. Now see this. The x plus minus del x, that is equal to, it is written a dot b plus minus a dot del b plus minus b dot del a. And I ignored the del a dot del b because the del a dot del b is very less than 1, that's why I am ignoring. Okay, now take the common x from, as I know the value of the a dot b is equal to the x, so these two things can cancel from each other, but I am not going to cancel it. Either you can cancel it. Suppose I cancel it. So, and the plus minus sign will also be cancelled. So the del x is equal to a dot del b plus b dot del a will left. You can do one more thing here. If suppose I divided the x from both sides, so what would be? The value of the x is the a dot b. So you will write here the del x upon x as it is. X has value the ab, and again this x has value, this is del a ab. Then you will see the b cancel from here, the a cancel will here. So it would be equal to del x by x, del a by a, that becomes del A by A first plus del B by B. So this is the formula of ratio. Okay, now from how you can calculate the del x here. Now in the equation, in any of the question, A del A, B del B will give you. And this is the formula. So by adding the A and B, by combining these two, you will get the simply x. So you have these four values along with the x, you can find the del x by cross multiplication. Right? So this is, and if you want to calculate the percentage error, just do apply this formula and multiply it with the 100%, and you will get the 100%. Right? Now, so I am going to the next, the errors in division. Errors in division. See, so the errors in division. Let's suppose I am taking the same formula, x is equal to, and in this time you have to write the a by b. अभी तक की प्रैक्टिस में अब आपको समझ में हो गई कि मैं आगे क्या करने वाला हूँ. So the calculation of a tells it is a plus minus del a, and the calculation of b, that is b plus minus del b, and I am going to put these two values over there. So I'll write x is equal to, and definitely if I take the errors in a and b, then definitely the x has errors. Then x plus minus del x, that is equal to, a has a plus minus del a divided by b plus minus del b. Okay, now what I have to do, I'll just keep up this मतलब ये वाला ऊपर जाएगा, x plus minus del x, a plus minus del a, और अगर ये ऊपर जाएगा then its power becomes negative, b plus minus del b in cos 1. Okay. Right. And you maybe you know about this equation or not, but I am telling you there is one formula. If you have written a plus b to the power minus n, then you will write here a, ये जो माइनस n है ये इसके साथ प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा, माइनस एन बी आ जाएगा. ठीक है. सो आई एम मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड कि मेरे को करना क्या होगा. दिस माइनस साइन एंड द पावर विल प्रोडक्ट विद दिस del b, राइट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू द प्रोडक्ट. देन x प्लस माइनस del x, ये मैथमेटिक्स का फॉर्मूला है जो कि शायद आप इस साल 11th क्लास में पॉलिनोमियल चैप्टर में टॉपिक में पढ़ेंगे. तो x प्लस माइनस del x, सो a प्लस माइनस del a, right, dot minus n will product with the del b, then b minus plus del b, minus 1 है तो del b, and the sign got changed. Just do multiplication. A plus minus del x, okay, a dot b plus minus del a dot b, okay, and this product with this b, okay, and the sign will not change. So I am writing the minus plus, yeah, plus minus, you will write the plus minus here, no problem. A dot del b and the plus minus del a dot del b. I ignore दी कि ऊपर माइनस होगा कि नीचे प्लस होगा. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ द del a dot del b, जैसे कि मैंने आपसे कहा था द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ del a and del b will, they are quite small, तो उनका प्रोडक्ट भी स्मॉल होगा. जस्ट इग्नोर इट. सो आई इग्नोर इट. Okay, so what thing will come? I ignored in the product. Okay, this x plus minus the del x, again वही कहानी कमी. Okay, then a plus a dot b divided multiplication del a dot b plus minus a dot del b. आपको मैंने बताया था ये x कैंसिल हो जाएगा because I have to take the common. प्रोडक्ट में हो गया ना एक तक. सर ये यहाँ पे आ गया. Yeah, sorry student, because I was doing the product again. So this is not the product. What I'll do, I go back here. Okay, I'm coming here. So it would be the x plus minus del x, and that is equal to a plus minus del a. We will do the same practice, but थोड़ा सा little change करना होगा क्योंकि I got forward. Then x plus minus del x. इसमें से एक कॉमन निकाल लेते हैं. तो अगर मैं a कॉमन लूंगा तो यहाँ बनेगा 1 plus minus del a by a. और अगर इसमें से मैं b कॉमन निकालूंगा तो b कॉमन आ गया. Then 1 plus minus del b by d. ओके, ये कॉमन आ जाएगा. ये सही रहेगा. और इसके बाद the a by b would come, and that a by b is equal to the x. Okay, so you can cut it then and there. No need to cut. बाद में कट कर लेंगे. Then x plus minus del x. Okay, and it is equal to the a by b, and here it becomes the 1 plus minus del a by a. हाँ, अब ये जो क्वांटिटी अब इसको ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे इसको ऊपर किया था, तो सेम एज इट इज यू कैन टेक इट अप. बट ये अब ये कॉन्सेप्ट आप वहां लगा सकते हैं. ठीक है. अब अगर ये ऊपर जाएगा तो हो जाएगा 1 plus minus del b by b to the whole power minus 1, right? Okay. Then x plus minus del x is equal to a by b 1 plus minus del a by a, and this is 1 plus यहाँ पे बीच में आएगा प्रोडक्ट. ओके, 1 plus minus del b by b. आप एक काम करते हैं, माइनस प्लस ऊपर माइनस कर दो और माइनस माइनस नीचे प्लस कर दो. बाद में अपन उसको इग्नोर करेंगे. ओके, अब क्या करेंगे, यहां से भी x कॉमन ले सकते हो अगर आपको a और b काटना है. तो अगर मैं x कॉमन लूंगा तो यहां आएगा 1 और यहां आ जाएगा नीचे x, बाहर आएगा x. नाउ द x इज इक्वल टू द a by b. पहले प्रोडक्ट कर रहे थे, अब अपन डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. चलो हो गया, कट गया. नाउ कमिंग दिस पॉइंट, प्रोडक्ट बिटवीन दीज टू, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट होगा. देन लेफ्ट 1 plus minus del x by x, that is equal to 1 1 plus minus del b by b divided by, मतलब 1 का पहले 1 में, फिर 1 का इसमें, del a by a का 1 में. So the plus minus comes, it is del a by a, and again थोड़ा सा मैं इस साइड लिखूंगा. The product of del a by a into the del b by b, as I told you, they are very small, just ignore it. तो अपन उसको इग्नोर कर देंगे. ठीक है. I am writing also the plus minus del a by a dot del b by b. So here the del a and del b are very small, just ignore it. तो मैं इसमें सर्कल मार दूंगा, that means इसको इग्नोर किया गया. अब 1 और 1 क्या हो गया, कैंसिल, and plus minus will sign also cancel. Then del x by x is equal to the del b by b plus del a by a. Now see this formula again, it is just equal to the products formula जिसमें हमने प्रोडक्ट किया था, that is del x by x is equal to del b by b plus del a by a. तो दोनों फॉर्मूले में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. हाँ, थोड़ा सा मेथड एक जगह पे चेंज हो जाता है. तो अब क्या स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड भागते हैं हम लोग ना, तो हम लोग को वही आता है, अच्छा इसको ऐसे किया. सो ये हो जाता है, कभी कभी मिस्टेक्स होती रहती हैं. तो del x by x is equal to del b by b plus del a by a. और इसको फाइंड कैसे करेंगे, सेम एज आई टोल्ड यू इन दी प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मूला, राइट? सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू वन न्यूमेरिकल्स, टिल देन यू हैव टू राइट, राइट? There is one more thing, as you can see here in the board, on the board, if x is equal to a to the power n b to the power m, and suppose there is one equation x is equal to a to the power n divided by b to the power n, then how to solve? क्योंकि अभी मैंने जो आपको बताया था, there were no n and n, but there are the n and the m are the powers. तो कुछ नहीं करना है. तो इसमें जो del x था, del x by x था, है ना, और a हो गया तो p हो गया, तो आप लिखोगे del a by a plus del b by b, नथिंग एल्स. जो इनका पावर है उसको आप सामने प्रोडक्ट करोगे. सो दिस पावर बिकम्स द मल्टीप्लिकेशन या कोफिशिएंट ऑफ द a and b, बट अलोंग विद दिस फार्मूला. तो यू विल राइट द n हियर एंड यू विल राइट द m हियर, नथिंग एल्स. अ सिंपल मेथड. ठीक है, n सामने, m सामने. Similarly here the x is equal to whatever the formulas are, so you have to write the n dot del a by a plus m dot del b by b. Keep notice. ठीक है. If suppose I gave you any equations or to find the errors, to find the random error, to find the absolute error, to find the percentage error. So three methods are there. Only the three formula. X is equal to the a dot b. Suppose product में है तो इसका जो रिजल्ट होगा वो होगा x is equal x plus minus del x and that is equal to the product. आपको पता है कैसे आएगा a और b के साथ जो कॉम्बिनेशन फार्मूला जो आपने लिखा था, तो ये लास्ट रिजल्ट आएगा. पॉइंट नंबर 2 हो जाएगा आपका कि del x by x this formula and this is del a by a along with the power. अगर आप लिखेंगे तो जैसे ऊपर लिखा वैसे लिखेंगे और परसेंटेज एरर के लिए कुछ नहीं करना, दोनों तरफ 100% का मल्टीप्लाई कर देना इस साइड और उस साइड. Same you have to do for the division. Okay, now do this. So there is one example for the product I am going to give. Let's suppose I am calculating the volume, then volume is equal to A dot B dot H. So A is called the या LBH लिख लो, length, breadth and height. अब अगर लेंथ कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो एग्जैक्टली लेंथ में कैलकुलेशन नहीं होगा, एरर होगा. तो सपोज हमने मान लिया द कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द LA, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ L that is equal to 1.2 plus minus 0.1 meter. Similarly B में आया 0.8 plus minus 0.06 meter और C में आ गया हाइट है, लेट्स सपोज द हाइट इज 1 मीटर प्लस माइनस 0.07 मीटर. सो ये वैल्यूज दी हुई हैं एंड फाइंड द वॉल्यूम. देन वॉल्यूम आपको फाइंड करना होगा तो आप लिखेंगे एरर्स के साथ. तो पहले तो आप b निकाल लो, देन b इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच. सो फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन आई एम टेलिंग b इज इक्वल टू द LBH. तो पहले तो b फाइंड करो. b फाइंड होगा आपका इन तीनों के मल्टीप्लिकेशन से, तो 1.2 0.8 1 कितना है 0.96 मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद द 1, so it is 0.96 meter cube. Okay, am I right? Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो ये वॉल्यूम हो गया. अब मैंने बोला del v निकालो कितना है, तो del v डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला तो है नहीं. फॉर del v then you will write the del v upon v is equal to del a del l by l plus del b by b plus del c by del h by h. अब इसको आप करो, ठीक है. अब del b यहां लिखेंगे by b, del l कितना है, del l आपका 0.1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.2 प्लस आपका del b कितना है, del b is 0.8 डिवाइडेड 0.06 है, 0.06 divided by b 0.8 plus del h कितना है 0.07 divided by और h कितना है 1. ये हो. अब आप इनको कैलकुलेट करोगे, v की आपको पता है, आप v की वैल्यू ये लिख चुके हो, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे और आपको क्या मिल जाएगा द वैल्यू ऑफ द del v. ओके, और उसका del v by v का अगर आप रेशियो ले सकते हैं, परसेंटेज एरर लेंगे तो आपको वो भी एरर मिल जाएगी. Okay, now do this.